Today I just want to ask you a very simple question to our politicians. With this COVID-19, yes, with the social distancing, we understand that it is inevitable and it's for our own health, for our own benefit that we maintain social distance and we don masks, gloves where possible, so that at least we can protect ourselves and also protect our people. But the recent past, the events of the recent past have shown otherwise. Why am I saying this? Look at the way the politicians, the early campaigns have set food. The Honorable Raila Odinga was in Mombasa. You saw how the crowds gathered there, no social distancing, a few people with masks, and life is as usual. Look at the Deputy President William Ruto when he was in Kisii. Look at him in Kikuyu land. It's the same thing, no social distancing. But when it comes to churches, we were told that, you can't be more than 100 people. So does this COVID-19 really affect the churches? Because these are the same people that go to church. Actually, then I tend to think Magufuli was right, because he said maybe there is something that we don't know about this COVID-19. How comes only churches? I told that, you can't do it. Yesterday I spoke to one of our listeners who was at Daraja Mbili Market in Kisii. And this listener said that, it is life as usual. Nothing has changed. Everything is as usual. So my question is, this COVID-19, is it all about churches and a few businesses that are either seen as they don't matter or they are a threat? That leaves me with a lot of questions. I don't know what you think, but that's what I think. Talk to me. What are your views? AGRFM, AbakusiGlobalRadio.com.